Fire-Cider is a traditional folk remedy, and there is a basic recipe, but in fact you can really experiment. Hello, my name is Bella LeNestour, and I'm here at the BirdHouse. Today I'm going to make a Fire-Cider tonic. It's going to boost our energy and invigorate the immune system of the people in the canyon. So we want to ward off cold and flu and other viruses. Fire-Cider is an apple cider vinegar tonic with fresh horseradish, ginger, garlic, onions, cayenne pepper, and honey. I like to have a dropper for every morning as a preventative. So those are the basics. If you have access to fresh herbs, then use it because they are bringing mineral to the Fire-Cider. This batch has lemon balm. It is really good for the anxiety in the stomach. And then some mint, which is really thriving in the garden right now. Yeah, so the Fire-Cider is not only made of its ingredients, but there is also a little spirit put into it. And so to start with, when we prepare the jar, we really prepare it as an homage to the spirits to start with, and also to make sure that the vessel is clear. I like to start with fresh mint and lemon balm. And then you want the whole thing to be hot and sour and pungent. And that is what is going to be bringing this movement, this action in your system and really move your energy. And then at the end, you can add honey for sweetness. This batch has calendula flowers, which are soothing, and NASTURTIUM, which has a spicy taste, which is perfect for the recipe. Then we have chaga. It's an adaptogen, balancing the brain function. It's a mushroom. And then there is schisandra. It's cleansing and uplifting. And we have juniper berries, antiseptic. And onions are full of vitamin C and antioxidants. Garlic is an antiseptic. Ginger, lemon, and turmeric. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory and stimulates the digestion. And then fennel seeds for the digestion. And it's an aromatic flavor, so along with anise-star, it really adds something very special to that batch. So now I'm going to pour apple cider vinegar over the herbs so that the jar is full to the very top, so that there is no air left. You might want to have a few jars of different sizes because you always want to make sure you fill up the jar. Vinegar will corrode metal lids. So before closing the lid, make sure to cover the top of your jar with wax paper held with a rubber band. So now you let it steep in a dark cupboard for 6 weeks. And in my case, I'm just going to cover it with this fabric right now because I'll bring it to the BirdHouse and I'll put it in the root cellar for 6 weeks. And then it will be done. And then I can filter it. And then, if I choose, I can add honey according to taste. And then it will stay at room temperature for the next 18 months. And it will be good for that time. Voila, an invigorating tonic for times of stress when your immune system is challenged and you need a little help.